In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Airtable account and get started with your first base. We're going to walk through the setup process from the very beginning. So if you've never used Airtable before, this will be easy to follow. Airtable is a flexible tool that combines the simplicity of a spreadsheet with the power of a database, which makes it useful for organizing projects, tracking information, and collaborating with others. To begin, go to the Airtable website in your browser. Once the home page loads, look for the Sign Up button or the option that says Get Started. This is what you'll use to begin creating your account. Click that button to move into the registration process. Next, enter your email address in the field provided. Make sure you use an email you can access because Airtable may ask you to confirm it before you can fully use your account. After that, you'll be asked to set up your password. Choose a password that is secure and easy for you to remember. In some cases, you may also see the option to continue using Google instead. If that's more convenient for you, you can choose that method and follow the prompts on your screen. Once you've done that, Airtable will ask for a few account details. This usually includes your name and some basic workspace information. Just fill in the requested fields carefully. The workspace details help Airtable prepare your account so you can start organizing your content right away. If you're not sure what to enter for a workspace name, you can choose something simple that relates to how you plan to use the platform. After submitting those details, check whether Airtable asks you to verify your email address. If it does, open your inbox and look for the verification message from Airtable. Click the confirmation link inside that email to activate your account. If you don't see the message right away, it may help to check your spam or promotions folder. Once your account is verified, you're ready to start using Airtable. Open your workspace, and from there, create your first base. A base is the main container where your tables and information will live. So this is the foundation of your setup. You can start with a blank base or choose a template if Airtable offers one that matches your needs. That's it. Your Airtable account is now set up and you're ready to begin building and organizing your workflow.